Hi, my name is Palash. I'm a founder of Linux Media. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create new pages in your Webflow website. So go to your Webflow dashboard and open Designer. Then click on the third icon on the left hand side and then click on this icon. This will create a new page. You can name this whatever you want and hit create. If you have component in place, you can just click on this icon and drag it and drop it like this. Or you can copy it from previous pages. So click on this icon again, select one of the following pages, select the section, make sure to select the entire section, press Command and C, go back to the new page, select body, again press Command and V and drag that section to wherever you want. And now you have created a new page. I hope you find this helpful. If you have any question about it, please let me know, and thank you for watching.